Tesla Mobile Service came and did an excellent job fixing the seat in the car. Let's talk about it. There's the seat trim, replaced, nice and tight, fits right into the grooves the way it's supposed to, nice and flush all the way back. I guess there's a little bit of a gap here, but that seat just rests loosely anyway in that spot. So some props to Tesla for the service appointment. When I set it up, I actually set it up for August 13th, sometime later next week. But I got a text today from a mobile service tech that basically said he was available and in our area, take the call if the car was. And so it was. We were just sitting home working and the family was home today. So he came mid-afternoon. I think he was here all of 15 minutes. We just opened the garage, let him in, took care of it. But it was interesting what he said. Apparently that trim is connected to the seat, or used to be connected anyway, by a screw holding it in a stronger way. But he commented that in the newer builds they're actually using just a pin, kind of like a rivet, and apparently that rivet popped out. So I tend to drive with my seat all the way in the lowest setting, and so my hypothesis is that every time I get in and out of the car, from easy entry moving the seat up to my profile setting moving the seat all the way down, putting pressure and tension on that whole plastic piece with the seat in its lowest position, pushing that plastic against the frame of the car itself. So after a little while now of driving the car up and down, I think finally that pin broke loose. He actually said he found the pin sitting in the seat track. I didn't notice it when I was finagling with it myself, but apparently it was there. He replaced the pin with a screw, secured everything down, and there we go. Kind of a disappointment, I guess, to change from a screw to a pin on something that actually could pop out and come apart like that, but it's fixed now, and hopefully the other side, though secured by a pin, doesn't experience the same problem. The other thing I guess I'll give him props for too is when I accepted the mobile service appointment, it prompted me to say this service call might cost you $26. Do you want to accept the estimate? And of course I did, in order to get the appointment. But for a car that's a month old to have kind of a defect or something kind of just fall off like that, I was certainly going to express my opinion that I didn't feel that that would be a paid service call. And so when I questioned the guy, he didn't make actually any mention about being charged for the call. And so I mentioned the same thing, that hey, I had to accept this estimate. He kind of just shrugged and smiled and it's like, oh no, that's no charge, no problem. So free service at home a week or so earlier than the actual scheduled appointment, and the guy took care of it. Couldn't ask for more. And that's just so much simpler than actually having to take the car to a dealer for a regular type of service appointment. Didn't go anywhere. They came and took care of everything. Gotta love that type of capability, or what they're offering basically to support their cars. And I hope it continues, certainly if we see any more issues. So thanks for watching. Just a real quick one. Thumbs up to Tesla. Way to go. And my seat is back together. So yeah, please like and subscribe to support the channel, and I'll be back with some more involved Tesla material soon.